So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open up your capital.com account. So the first thing you want to do is to go to capital.com, and through there you can see here capital.com trading. Then you can see your markets, pricing, and about. Under trading you can see trading platforms and learn. Under markets, our markets, market info for pricing, some more information, and about some information about the company, how you can work with them, help, and the legal part of the deal. So you can click on open account. So it says one app, 5,500 plus markets, 24/7 support to assist you in 10 plus languages, 75 plus technical analysis indicators, and free trading education to build your skill. So if you have an account, you can log in, or alternatively, you can just use your Google account. So let's just put in the information needed. And once you've done that, so you put in your necessary information. So in this case, that will be your email and password. You will then get a prompt to finish up with your account. So basically to use and add information from your ID. As it says here, complete your registration. And through there, you can open up your account afterwards. So you can see here the type of account that you can use. So if you want to switch to a real account, just complete the registration. You can start off trading in no time. So you can open your account, either linking it with your Apple ID or Google account, or just putting in your email and password. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on capital.com or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.